Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Houzz Pro app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Houzz Pro is a business management app designed specifically for interior designers, architects, contractors, and home renovation professionals. It combines client communication, project tracking, invoicing, lead generation, and 3D design tools into one streamlined platform. With features like proposal creation, timeline management, mood boards, and CRM integration, it aims to simplify running a home design business from your phone or desktop. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users appreciate the all-in-one functionality, being able to manage projects, send invoices, and interact with clients without switching tools. The interface is clean and professional, and the app syncs well with the desktop version. The lead management feature also helps professionals find serious clients looking for renovation services. That said, it's not without issues. Some users mention that the learning curve can be steep, especially with the design tools and back-end setup. There are also reports of occasional bugs when uploading images or generating documents. And while many features are useful, some are locked behind higher-tier subscriptions, which may not be ideal for smaller businesses or solo professionals. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Houzz Pro is a solid tool for design professionals who want a centralized way to manage and grow their business. It's especially valuable for those already active on Houzz or those seeking a complete CRM and design solution in one. However, beginners or small teams may find the pricing and complexity a bit overwhelming at first. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.